burning here inside cannot be denied. They said someday you'll find all who love are blind. Oh, when your heart's on fire, you must realize smoke gets in your eyes. So I chant them and I gaily laugh to think they could doubt my love. Yet today my love has flown away. I am without my love. Without my love. Now laughing friends deride tears I cannot hide. So I smile and say, when a lovely flame dies, smoke gets in your eyes. Smoke gets in your eyes. Smoke gets in your eyes.
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, no, or a man who makes potions in a traveling shoe. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, yeah, and this one's for you. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the sat on the roof and kicked off the moss. Well, a few of the verses, well, they've got me quite cross, but the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. Tell everybody song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world.
Aurora comes from Rio de Janeiro. She dances in a little street cafe. And when you're down in Rio de Janeiro, here's what you'll hear each Latin lover say: you're a sweetheart in a million. Oh, Aurora, with your manners so Brazilian. Oh, Aurora, when you smile and call me honey. Oh, Aurora, is it me or just my money? Oh, Aurora, I'll buy you this and buy you that if you'll be true to me. I'll even rent a cottage and present you with the key. So if you marry me and be my sweet senora, oh, Aurora, Aurora, be mine, be mine, be mine. You're a sweetheart in a million. Ha 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 ha, Aurora, with your manners so Brazilian. Ha 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 ha, Aurora, when you smile and call me honey. Ha 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 ha, Aurora, is it me or just my money? Ha 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 ha, Aurora. You're a sweetheart in a million. Ooh, be my Aurora, with your manners so Brazilian. Ooh, be my Aurora, be mine. When you smile and call me honey. Ooh, be my Aurora, is it me or just my money? Oh, Aurora, Aurora, be mine.
I have often walked down this street before, but the pavement always stayed beneath my feet before. All at once am I several stories high, knowing I'm on the street where you live. Are there lilac trees in the heart of town? Can you hear a lark in any other part of town? Does enchantment pour out of every door? No, it's just on the street where you live. And oh, the towering feeling, just to know somehow you are near. The overpowering feeling that any second you may suddenly appear. People stop and stare, they don't bother me, For there's nowhere else on earth that I would rather be. Let the time...
Almal wat 'n gelowige is, weet hoe belangrik is families en gesinne en die woord huisgesin kom verskriklik baie voor in die Bybel. Ou Testament, Nuwe Testament, die huis van. Ons weet al dat praat van die hele familie van Abraham, Isak en Jakob. En ons praat in die Nuwe Testament veral as daar doop betrokke is, oor waar die verbond te sprake is, word daar gepraat van die familie van die huisgesin van. En ek bedoel, as ons vandag kyk, dan is dit nou die huisgesin van Thys van Wyk, die huisgesin van die Dreyers, die huisgesin van die Eise. So dat is regtig waar 'n teken en 'n bewys van wat doen gelowige waardes, Christelike waardes, wat dit doen en wat dit tot gevolg het. So het gee ons 'n geweldige rede tot dankbaarheid om dit rondom jou te kyk en te besef, kyk hoeveel van ons vier vandag 'n verjaarsdag. Hoekom? Want ons het almal saam deel daaraan. Ons het almal deel van hierdie familie en deel van God se liefde vir ons en sy genade vir ons. Dat daar waar daar groter vriendskappe is, groter familiebande is, daar waar die mense in Italië by mekaar kom en onder die bome sit en in die tafel sit en hulle kuier as hulle eet, daar is waar mense die langste lewe. Ek sal nooit vergeet van klein wees en saam met ouma en oupa krewels uithaal in Stolbaai se rivier, swem in die see en oral gaan stap. Ek sal ook onthou hoe ouma amper altyd gewen het in Ramikap, in die aande, tussen die foon oproepe na 7:00 die aand en vir ons tee maak. Ouma het ook die lekkerste kos gemaak, gebakte kabeljou met mash, boontjiebreedie, soetpatats, beskuit, lekkerste terte en altyd die houers vol chocolates en sweets op die sytafels vir naete. Ek sal ouma onthou as iemand wat nooit 'n slegte woord te sê het oor enige iemand nie. Met die rustigste geaardheid, interessantste stories en snaakste grappies. Sê alles wat ek kan onthou van ouma is net vol blydskap. Van kleintyd af vir ons kom kuier in Zimbabwe tot die kuiertye van onlangs. Ouma lewe regtig al die eienskappe uit waaraan mens dink as jy die woord ouma hoor. Saggeaard, vriendelik, 'n koesterende teenwoordigheid, wysheid en liefde sonder einde. Van my gelukkigste herinneringe is saam met ouma, byvoorbeeld om te swem in die see by Stilbaai, wandels langs die rivier en natuurlik die Ramikap om hier onder tafel na 'n 5-ster kabeljou maaltyd.
To sing, although the snow covers the hope of spring, somewhere a hill blossoms in green and gold, and there are dreams, all that your heart can hold. Someday we'll meet again, kiss of snow. Laura, my own, think of me now and then. Godspeed, my love, till you are mine again. Warm as the wind, soft as the kiss of snow. Godspeed, my love, till you are mine again.
Blaas. Ja, blaas.